Boom Mower MA900 is a universal mower by Tract, which manufactures equipment and mini tractors for landscaping, parks, and gardens maintenance. The Boom Mower MA900 is one of the simplest, most efficient, and most versatile mowers in its class. The main advantage of the machine is a remote control of the sickle chainsaw. Thanks to a hydraulic two-sectional remote boom, a saw cuts vegetation at a height of up to 13 feet. An angle of rotation of the chainsaw ranges between -45 degrees horizontally to +135 degrees. This allows cutting bushes and trees of up to 13 feet tall, as well as taking care of coastal vegetation by immersing the saw chain in water. The machine has several attachments, while the manipulator is hydraulically controlled with simple joysticks, which ensures safety and accuracy. The MA900 is absolutely safe to operate, as a cutting part is distance from the operator. The machine can operate on a harsh terrain, swampy peat soil, and on slopes of up to 19 degrees. Lely Astronaut 5 is an automated milking system. The success of the milking robot is based on a principle of free cows. A cow is free to choose when to eat, relax, or to go for milking. The system is designed so that when entering, the cow does not encounter obstacles and stays among the other cows during milking. When a cow enters the milking area, it is immediately recognized by the sensor on the collar, and the information about the cow is transmitted to the system. Thanks to this information, the system knows the location of the nipples and the diet that the animal requires. Nipples are cleaned and disinfected with brushes. Thus, the nipples are cleaned more thoroughly than with a simple rinse. During milking, the quality control system continuously monitors milk. To identify problems at an early stage, a warning on certain indicators is immediately sent to the control system and to the mobile application. Altras TRZ is the one-of-its-kind lawnmower, characterized by high maneuverability, speed, and productivity. The device can operate on wet, inclined, swampy, and harsh terrain surfaces, inaccessible to other lawnmowers. Moving at a speed of up to 15 miles an hour, the Altras TRZ can maneuver in confined spaces and has a zero turning radius. Besides, thanks to its low center of gravity, turning the mower down is almost impossible. An operator controls the mower with two levers and can change the knife settings in real time. The design of the mower requires minimal impact on the soil thanks to a special design of the rear movers. They can be either caterpillar or wheel type, and maneuvers are performed due to blocking of final drives. The coverage area of the mower knives is 16.1 square feet. The machine is equipped with 33 or 37 horsepower gasoline engines and a hydromechanical transmission. J-Mecha Smart Pel Tract P is a self-propelled universal mini excavator. The device moves on rubber tracks that exert minimal and uniform pressure on the fertile soil layer. Depending on the configuration, it can be equipped with both a 7 horsepower diesel engine and 7 or 9 horsepower gasoline engine. All engines are run by an electric starter. A compact mini excavator is used for operation in confined spaces. Versatility of the device is achieved by using a variety of attachments and the ability to operate as a jib loader. The excavator can use several types of toothed buckets with a width of 6.3 to 20 inches. In addition to the buckets, the model is equipped with a dozer blade. The machine digs up to 49-inch deep trenches, and the hydraulic system is controlled by joysticks. A tower with an operator can rotate around 360 degrees, and the radius of the bucket coverage is 110 inches. Blache Tract BMS 220 ADB. A self-powered peeling machine is designed for quick dismantling of a worn layer of linoleum and other floor coverings. Its compact dimension allows the machine to work in standard doorways, and the transmission provides a zero turning radius. In this case, the BMS 220 ADB leaves no residue on the coating. The motor is powered by a battery, which lasts for 10 hours of continuous operation. Therefore, the device is completely autonomous. The system of removable peeling blades is adapted to remove parquet, ceramic tiles, carpet, vinyl coatings of any size, and tile. The width of the surface to be processed depends on the type of a knife and ranges between 5.9 and 27.1 inches. The compact machine does not include belts, gears, couplings, and other high-wearing drive elements in the design, which makes the structure practically maintenance-free. The operator's work is extremely simple. The machine can operate along with other works without noise and harmful emissions. RBS-20. The RBS-20 is a multifunctional tool used to remove and reinstall sleepers during repairing of railway tracks. No other attachments are used. The RBS-20 is equipped with a profiled ballast bucket and a gripper for sleepers. That's all required for quick dismantling and installation of a new railway's bed base. A depth of immersion of the ballast bucket is adjustable in real time, and a scoop brings the sleepers to the side of the railway bed without dismantling the rails and complex excavation. A clamshell scoop rotates freely 360 degrees around the axis of the manipulator, which allows freeing the sleeper from the ballast or burying and ramming of a new sleeper into the mount. The unit is used as attachments paired with any road excavator with a lifting capacity of 12 tons or more. Slicer TLX. A German company, Fendt, has developed an efficient agricultural mower, Slicer TLX. It is used as a rear attachment for a tractor and can process both flat and inclined surfaces. Wide coverage, high quality and precise cut, as well as perfect balance, provide high-quality surface treatment. In a transport position, the mower rises up to 120 degrees without protruding beyond the horizontal dimensions of the tractor and a low transport height. A unique system for adjusting the cutting height is all automatic and is based on the data of the sensors located along the perimeter of the mower. The mower itself adapts to the terrain, and an operator has to only control the tractor and to set the speed. A protective cover system ensures complete safety in the mower's operating area. The working area of the feed mower is between 327 and 366 inches, depending on the number of knives in the cutting module of 2 rows, with 6 or 7 knives each. The blades are protected from accumulation of grass residues and are equipped with a self-cleaning system. TRS 1474 bucket wheel. Bucket wheel excavators are used for digging the trenches for laying cables and pipes, for installing of reclamation facilities, as well as for works in the mining industry. A tracked vehicle consists of a running gear, an adjustable working body with cutting buckets, and a conveyor that removes waste rock from the working area. A 1475 model is capable of trenching in soft and rocky soil. A maximum pit width is between 35 and 47 inches, with a depth of up to 98.4 inches. The chassis is equipped with a 600 horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine. The whole process is as automated as possible. An operator controls the depth of the bucket and the speed of the machine. An excavator's diesel fuel consumption ranges between 90 and 111 liters per hour depending on the load. Fractal breaker. Stone breaking attachments ensure quick and inexpensive stone breaking, along with recycling of reinforced concrete structures. Fractal produces a lineup of breakers with an energy output ratio between 80,000 and 400,000 kilojoules. Such machines are used both in the mining and in the construction industries. The versatility of Fractal breaker models lies in compatibility with most hydraulic excavator models. Its operation simply requires switching of a bucket to a breaker. The breaker itself is autonomous. It needs only a hydraulic system of an excavator. A functional part consists of a hammer which is mechanically moved to the upper part of the boom. Driven by an additional impulse, it lowers to the surface of the stone. The hammer, in its turn, consists of a main cylindrical part and a replaceable tip, which can be replaced when worn out. The principle of the machine's operation lies in providing the tip of the hammer with a high specific kinetic energy that neither solid rock nor reinforced concrete can withstand.